Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So in this video I'm going to be sharing a fast BNB review with you. Now I came across this platform when I was doing a bit of research for a blog article because, as you know, I like to trial things and share the results of them with you. Now in terms of this, I shared a video a couple of days ago from when you're watching this video. I shared this one over here on YouTube where I showed you crypto cars where you can earn money daily from staking. We also looked at the ON token, and then we looked at this platform over here, which is called Fast BNB. Now, I also shared with you how you can potentially earn 3% a day from, basically staking your tokens over on this platform. Now, staking 3%, 3% daily in the normal world would seem ridiculous. But as I've shared with you in the past, in crypto, all traditional numbers go out the window. You can earn platforms like what we've shared in this video here, where the APR is, with the ON token, for example, from memory, I think the APR on that one was, I think it's like 5,000%, something ridiculous. And over the coming weeks, I'm going to share with you some more, platforms where you can invest in these and, earn, potentially a pretty decent passive income. So this one over here, you can see there's three options for this. So we've got hen farming, which pays 1.25% daily. We've got cow farming, which is 2.5% daily. And we've got ox farming, which is 3%. And the way this method works is you go ahead and you purchase the Binance token. Once you have that token, you send it over to this platform over here and you stake it. So in this example, you would lock up your tokens for 150 days. In return for doing so, you get paid 2.5% daily. And at the end of 150 days, you can withdraw what you initially lent the platform. But here's the cool thing. Every single day, any earnings, this 2.5% daily, you can withdraw that into your metamask. And you can see over here, 90 days. And look, I'll drop a link to this below for you. You can go ahead and check this out. Now, just before this video that you're watching, I went ahead and I withdrew my balance. Now, stupidly, I thought I was recording this video, but I hadn't clicked the record button. So, I panicked a little bit and I thought, well, I can't show you the results. However, down at the bottom here, you can see we've got total deposit, which is 0.4 BNB. And we can see over here, total withdrawn, 0.083, etc. BNB. So, this was, I think it was a little under $40. But first, let me share with you this to see how much we've actually earned in a week. So I deposited 0.4 BNB. Now we've got this over here. You can see this was a total value of $184. And this was 6 days and 20. It's nearly 7 days. So just under 7 days ago, it was $184. And today we've just gone ahead and withdrawn this amount here. So if I just take this and I'll search Google for this, and let's just go down here. So if I change this to US dollar, let's go down to the bottom. Where's it gone? There it is. You can see here I've withdrawn $38.49, and I started off with 184. So that's a very good return on investment so far. So, in a few more weeks, I will receive my initial amount of money that I deposited. And as I've mentioned and shown you here, you can withdraw this daily. And even though I withdrew that a couple of minutes ago, you can see over here, it's already starting to, it's just changed again. So at this moment in time, I've got 0.0, nearly 5 cents in a matter of minutes from this. So it's pretty cool. What am I going to do with this? Like always, everything I share on this channel, once I get to 0.4 BNB, I'll have withdrawn all of my initial money. It will then become risk-free. And then, I can go ahead and take this money and, look at a different crypto opportunity or a traditional method, whether that's, affiliate marketing, YouTube, etc. I'm always securing my initial investment. And I always say that to you, don't I? I always say, put in what you can afford, never put in more than what you can afford to lose. Once you've got your initial investment, withdraw that money and take it somewhere else. Okay? So that's basically where we're up to with it. So in a week, well, just under a week, we've earned that's the wrong one. We've earned $38.49 from initial investment of 184. So I think you'll agree it's pretty good, isn't it? It's a good rate of return. And I'm finding more and more of these in the crypto space. We've mentioned before in the past, you can look at crypto.com and Binance and all of these different places, but there's genuinely some really good money to be made in the crypto market. So how do you go ahead and get started with this fast BNB and start earning money? Well, let me walk you through this whole process now, because what you need some Binance token to deposit that into here, and then you select one of these pools, you click on stake, and then it's up and running and working for you. So let me switch over to let me jump into MetaMask and I'll walk you through that process now. Okay, so first of all, we need to come to this website here, and it's called MetaMask. Now, this is basically, as you can see on the screen, a crypto wallet and gateway to blockchain apps. So you go ahead and you download this app over here. Now, inside of your app, you will get a little box up here. Once you've downloaded this, it's on here, MetaMask. Now, once you've downloaded this, you have an account up here. Now, at this moment, you can see it says Smart Chain up here. Now, yours obviously won't say that, so you need to go ahead and click on Add Network, and it takes you over to this page here. And then you just put in this information. And look, I'll put the information down below in the description box for you. Just put the information in and click on, what does that say? Save. So you save that, and then once that's done, inside of your MetaMask over here again, it will say up here, it will say Smart Chain, it will say your account and how much BNB you've got in here. Now, obviously, if you don't have a MetaMask, you will have no BNB, which is the Binance token. So for this, you will need to go over to this website over here, which is called Binance.com. And again, I will drop a link to this down below for you. So on here, you come over to, you can go to buy crypto here, or you can trade this. But whichever way you do this, so if we just go to, let me just go into overview of the wallet, and we are going to scroll down here, and we're going to look for, we're going to look for this token here, which is BNB, and you can simply click on buy or you can trade. But the quickest and easiest way is you just click on buy, and then you can go ahead and buy this from your bank account. Or if you've even if you have got some crypto available, then all you do is you just trade it, basically, which means you just go into the marketplace and buy it. So if that sounds a bit confusing, please don't let it. I'll show you how simple this is. We come over to trade. So once you've got some cryptocurrency, you see here we've got BNB. This is the Binance token, and then all of these here are different tokens that you can trade against this. So if you've got Ethereum on here, or if you've got Bitcoin or even USDT, you go ahead and you buy it. So for example, if we're going to this one over here, we'll open up this chart here. The first time you look at this, it can be a little bit overwhelming, but honestly, it doesn't have to be. So you come in here and you scroll down, and we have got, you see down here, we've got limit, market, stop limit. So basically, if you want to buy this Binance token at the current market price, you would click on market here, and then here, this is the token that we are, basically we're going to use to buy this. So in this example, I'm using USDT. You'd select how much you want to buy, so how many Binance tokens you want to buy, and then you click buy. If you wanted to, not pay the market price, you'd click on limit, and this price here is basically how much you're prepared to pay compared to the marketplace at this moment in time. So you'd put in how much you're prepared to pay, how much BNB, Binance token, you want, so you can use this along the bottom, or you can simply just type it in manually, and you click on buy. Once you've bought your Binance token, we come back over to wallet and overview, and then we are going to scroll down the page here, and we click on this, and we scroll down, and you find the Binance token, so this one here, BNB, and you click on withdraw. Okay, and then on here you just you withdraw it to the address, which is basically your address over here inside of MetaMask. Okay, so your own address inside of here. You can see If you click on your account, it will show you your address. So if I click on here, let me just come out with this, sorry. I'll go back over onto here and click on metamask. You see this up here? This here is your account, your wallet basically. So you would copy this, you'd come back over to Binance and you would paste that address in there. So you click on paste and you can see down here, look, network BSC wallet address automatically matched to corresponding network. And then once you've done this, you just put in how much you want to withdraw. It's pretty straightforward, okay? So once you've bought some of the BNB and you have withdrawn it to your metamask, the next step is we come over to the website and you connect the website here over to your metamask wallet. And it's really simple to do. You just click on sign up, and then once you've signed up, you just scroll down here. Now these are the options at this moment in time. We've got hen farming forever, which pays 1% daily. We have got cow farming, which is 150 days, and it's 2.5% daily. And then we have got ox farming, which is 90 days, and you can potentially earn 3% daily. Okay, so you type in here how much BNB you want to deposit into this platform over here. So how much did I have in my wallet? I can't remember. I'm going to come over here, go back to MetaMask, and I've got 0.44. So I'm going to come back in here and I'm going to type in 0.4 and I'm going to click on stake, and then it opens up here a notification box like so, and in a second it will ask me to confirm this transaction like so. We can see, look, this is the website, this is how much we're depositing. Scroll further down the page here and we click on confirm. Now that should, let me scroll down the page here and we'll just wait a second to see what happens, whether this refreshes or anything like that. Look, so we can see, look, confirmed transaction, view on the ETH. Let me just click on here and now let me refresh the page. And let me click on connect again and dashboard. And if we scroll down here, you can see total deposit is 0.4 BNB. So that is now active over on this platform here. And from that, I can expect to earn the grand total of 3% daily. Sounds pretty good, doesn't it? So what is my plan with this? Well, I'm going to stop the video now and we'll do an update on this in, let's say, in a week. We'll see how much is in here in a week. I'm going to withdraw whatever's available to me at that time, and we'll just do an update then. So for now, I'm going to stop the video. So there you go. That is how you literally go ahead and get started with this fast BNB. We've done this video a bit back to front because, you know, as I shared with you at the beginning of this video, this is how much we have earned in a little over a week, which was just under $40. So look, there's links to everything down below for you if you want to go ahead and check out this fast BNB. You know, it's simple, it's straightforward, and, you know, not only is it paying a decent rate of return, it's also, you know, you can withdraw your money pretty quickly. It takes about less than 30 seconds, and you have this available in your MetaMask. There's also a link down below for you to go ahead and, you know, if you want to go over to Binance over here and, you know, get started and get the token. But as you've seen, it's a very straightforward process. So look, if you've got any comments or questions about this, please let me know. You know, if you've got anything within the crypto space where you're earning some, you know, pretty decent money passively, comment down below and we'll go ahead and have a look at them, because there's hundreds of these projects. It's just a case of, you know, going through and, you know, trialing and testing them. So thanks again for watching today's video. Have a great day and I'll see you tomorrow.